methods of preparation of haloalkanes. First, let us discuss the nature of the CX bond in halo compounds. Nature of CX bond. Okay. So, in the case of CX, okay, this is the compound. Here, we can see that the halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon. So, there will be a partial negative charge on halogen atom and a partial positive charge on the carbon atom. Okay. So, as the size of the halogen atom increases, halogen atoms are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. So, from fluorine to iodine, we can see that the size of the halogen atom increases. As the size of the halogen atom increases, bond length increases. Okay, bond length increases. But the bond strength of the compound, bond strength of CX bond decreases. Okay, that means the bond energy or bond enthalpy decreases. Okay, bond energy decreases. Okay. Also, the dipole moment of these compounds also varies. These are the different things about nature of the CX bond. Now, let us start the different methods of preparation of haloalkanes. First method, there are three different methods for the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. We can prepare haloalkanes. Then, from alkanes, we can prepare haloalkanes. Okay. Also, from alkenes also, we can prepare haloalkanes. Let us discuss one by one. First one, from alcohols. Okay. From alcohols. In this case, the compound, there is a COH bond. Okay. There is a COH bond. Okay. In this case, as a result of the reaction, this bond breaks and CX bond will be obtained. Okay. So, one of the OH group present in the alcohols will be replaced by the halogen atoms. As a result, haloalkanes are produced. First method, there are three different methods by which we can prepare haloalkanes from alcohols. First, using halogen acids. First method, using halogen acids. Halogen acids like HCl, HBr, HI, etc. Okay. So, the compound. Here we can see that the alcohol. Let us take an example, CH3CH2H, an ethanol on reaction with HCl. Okay. In presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. In presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, OH will be replaced by Cl. Okay. Plus H2. This will be the reaction. Okay. So, the order of the reactivity of alcohols varies. Okay. Tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary. Okay. Which is more reactive than primary. Okay. Like this, the reactivity order varies. Also, in the case of halogen acids also, the reactivity order varies. That is, HI is more reactive than HBr, which is more reactive than HCl. Okay. This will be the reactivity order. Also, we can see that in the case of tertiary compounds, alkyl halide or haloalkanes are obtained by shaking with concentrated HCl at room temperature, which shows that the temperature, okay, which shows that tertiary alcohols are highly reactive. Okay. Also, there are some other methods for the preparation of alkyl bromides from alcohols. Okay, alkyl bromide CH3 CH2OH. Okay, on reaction with NaBr and H2SO4. Okay, another method for the preparation of alkyl bromides from alcohols. On heating ethanol or any alcohols, on heating with NaBr and H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, will get CH3 CH2Br. Alkyl bromide will be obtained plus H2O plus NaHSO4. Okay. This is one method for the preparation of alkyl bromides from alcohols. Another method for the preparation of alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide. So in this method it gives good yield of alkyl iodides. Okay. For example, CH3CH2OH ethanol. Okay. On reaction with HI. On reaction with HI, alkyl iodide. Okay, in presence of NaI or Ki, sodium iodide or potassium iodide. Okay, at about in the presence of 95% orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. The reaction takes place and we will get CH3 CH2I. Okay. Good yield of alkyl iodide will be obtained plus H2. Okay. Using phosphorus halides. Like PCl5 and PCl3. Okay. First, 3CH3CH2OH ethanol on reaction with PCl3. Okay, reaction takes place and an alkyl halide will be obtained, 3CH3CH2Cl. Okay, alkyl halide, alkyl chloride is obtained plus H3PO3. Next, CH3CH2OH on reaction with PCl5, another phosphorus halide. Okay, on reaction it gives CH3 CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay, so these are the two different reactions using phosphorus halide, preparation of phosphorus alkyl halide or alkyl chloride from alcohols using phosphorus halides. Next, using thionyl chloride, SOCl2. Using thionyl chloride, SOCl2. This reaction is also called as Darson's process. Okay, Darson's process. Darson's process. Okay, here alcohol on reaction with SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine will give alkyl halide, CH3 CH2OH plus SOCl2 in presence of pyridine. Okay, gives CH3 CH2Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay, so this is an important method for the preparation of alkyl chloride because the byproducts obtained, SO2 and HCl, are gases. Okay, these two gases escape easily, so we will get pure alkyl chloride. Okay, CH2CH2Cl will be highly pure. So this is an important method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohols. Okay, and in the case of aryl halides, we cannot prepare, it is very difficult to prepare aryl halides from the alcohols, because in the case of phenol, so let us take in the case of phenol, here we can see that OH bond. Okay, this CO bond is partially double bond. So this bond is highly strong as compared to the bond present in the alkyl halides. Okay, so it is very difficult to break CO bond due to resonance. Okay, due to resonance, CO bond is highly strong. So it is very difficult to break CO bond. So this method are very difficult for the preparation of alkyl halides. Okay. So aryl halides cannot be prepared from alcohols. Next method, from alkanes. Preparation of alkyl halides from alkanes or haloalkanes from alkanes. Okay. This method is also called as free radical halogenation. Free radical halogenation. Okay. In this case, the halogens like chlorine or bromine react with alkanes in presence of heat and UV light, gives a mixture of mono and polyhalo compounds. Okay, mono and polyhalo compounds, and it is very difficult to separate these compounds. Let us take example methane. Okay, methane on reaction with chlorine in presence of UV light. Okay, UV light at a temperature of 520 to 673 Kelvin, the reaction is taking place. Okay, different halides are obtained. First one, CH3Cl. One hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. Next, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine and three hydrogen atoms are replaced, and all the four hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine. So, a mixture of different halo compounds are obtained. It is very difficult to separate all these compounds. This method is called as free radical halogenation.